channel. And do you know what today is? Well, I'll tell you. It's Kittens Day. So, for today's video, or I guess this week's video, I don't know. For this video, I'm going, as you probably can tell, I have this box of supplies here. So as requested, I'm doing the Blindfolded Slime Challenge, which I don't know where it is, so I'm going to use this. And if you don't know how to make slime, you can watch this video and you can see me trying to explain how to make slime while also failing at it because I'm blindfolded. So we're going to see how this is going to go. So I have my container there. So now I need to find glue, and you can use any kind of glue that you want. So next thing I'm gonna add is whatever I grab. This is contact solution, so I'm not gonna add that yet. What is that? That's... Oh! Whatever. So I'm just gonna add like 2 squirts, because if you add too much, then it's really... how this turns out. So let me see. Oh, here's a box. Is this the tiny box? Yes, this is the tiny box. And I'm just going to use this because I'm not going to get the other box. The other box has... I'm going to go get water and come back to put that in. Okay. Okay, so I have some water. I hope it's not too much, but I'm just going to add some in. Okay, so now on to activating. I remember I had the contact solution before, so I set it aside because this can help to activate it. And now I just need to find my baking soda. Oh. So this is baking soda. So now I'm going to take my contact solution. This feels like a fresh bottle, yeah. And I'm going to put this in. And you don't want to add too much at the same time because then it could get overactivated really easily and get really hard. But yeah. But I can't see, so I don't know how much I'm adding. So I'm going to set this, clean out the bowl a little bit, and I'll remove this to the side. Okay, I'm just going to show you my slime. So, it's really stretchy. Ooh, I think there was a bubble. It's what it looks like. By the way, my eyelashes are like stuck to my eye at this point, and it really hurts. Ow, it's bright. Number 1. And, it's a really nice slime. I'm definitely happy with it, and I am quite impressed with myself. Like, this is not a total fail, so like if you want to follow this slime video exactly, then chances are you're going to have a pretty good slime. So now that I've done this is slime number 1. I'm going to do one more slime, then I'm going to compare them, and I'm going to mix them together. So I'm really excited for this. Okay. I'm probably gonna make the same type of slime as far as ingredients. But I'm gonna see, I wanna see what colors I get, which I'm still gonna use 2 glitters and 2 food dyes. I'm really interested, like, what color food dye I got to make that. Like, did I get the actual purple one? Or did I get pink and blue? Did I get purple and pink? It kind of seems like I got purple and blue. That's what my guess is. That's contact solution. I'm gonna use, let's see if I can get lotion out. And try and mix that in. Probably like messing up really hard. So that's the one. This pack, oh, so it fell in my lap, that's why it was like that. This pack has pink, blue, green, and purple in it. So I really don't know what this is, but this is gonna be the first color. Oh, so good. 1, 2. And we'll put that back in the box. Okay, so somebody called me again, and so I had to do that, and I made sure not to look at the actual slime, but I did see on my hands there's tons of pink food dye, so I know that that's one of the colors. So these are the other two. I kind of hope that I get green. I want green because that'll make it apricot. So I'm gonna pick this one though. I don't know what it is. Oh, I just got that all over me. Where's it even at? Oh, it's right there. 1, 2. I really hope this is green. I'm gonna put this. There you go. Aside, and I'm gonna show you a little bit about this slime. So here's the poke. Not too bad. And it's super stretchy, just like the other one. And no, did they mix already? I like this slime better. This slime is like a little bit more hard and weird, but that could be just because it was sitting out for a while I was doing this, and it's not like, it's kind of a little bit cold in here. But we're gonna see what this looks like, which you already know, but I don't. It's so bright. Like that. We're just gonna mix it. It's actually really pretty colors together. It's really nice. I'm just gonna do a little swirl. Ta-da! This is quite this is a very interesting thing, and thank you for doing this with me. I really appreciate it. But anyways, but thank you. I really appreciate the support. But thank you. So yeah, this is the finished product. It's interesting, like greenish gray purple color. Oh, look at this. Oh, I added a lot of gold. But thank you for joining me today, and I will see you the next time it's Kim's Day. Okay, and quick short message. I just finished editing, but thank you. I believe it's Hello Love 24 for suggesting this video.
But also, please suggest videos, everybody, in the future, because that gives me a lot of great ideas, because I really have a very boring life. So yes, thank you for suggesting this, and I will see you the next time. Bye!